What's up, guys? So by the title of this video, you could probably tell what the hell is happening today. So I found a really stupid good deal for a car I've wanted forever, and I couldn't pass it up. Last thing I need right now is another car, I know that, but don't know the plans for this car yet. Realistically, I would love to use it to replace the Saturn completely because it is a newer car, and it would be nice to have a nice new daily that has AC I don't have to worry about. Or I could fix it, flip it, make some money, and go from there. But I'm actually on my way now to Tommy F shop because Tommy is being really generous and he's letting me use his truck and trailer to get the car for today, because I wasn't able to get a truck to use my trailer for today because I still need a truck when I shouldn't be buying a car, I should be buying a truck, but this doesn't even compare in price to a truck. So get there and we'll figure it all out. We're at Tommy's. Of course, you can see all the subframes everywhere. So, Tommy, thank you very much for letting me use your trailer.
Yeah, no problem, buddy.
Save my ass, but it's gonna be cool.
Just be easy on her.
Oh, I'm gonna beat the piss out of it.
Just make sure that one tire, there's one, the front left trailer tire goes low. We'll have to fill it up before you go.
So I can treat it like an enterprise van?
Yeah. All right, come check this out.
Oh, great. More stuff I could be jealous about.
HKSV cam.
Dude, where'd you even find that?
Japan, the Holy Land. That's going in the S15.
How is that in the box?
Brand new. They still produce them. That and the R34 one are still produced.
I want this one. Thank you very much, Tommy. Alright guys, so if you've been keeping up with videos, you know Tommy offered to basically hook me up with the supercharger kit if we sell enough entries.
We're close.
For his TI giveaway.
We're close.
Close. We need just a couple more.
If it goes over, I told Jimmy he can have the M52 for free. So
Tommy has an M52 from a parts car that he used to actually complete the TI. The M52 is essentially the upgraded version of my engine. It has 0.3 liters of more displacement, and it also has a Vano system, which is a variable intake cam. Yep. It's just on the intake side, right?
Yeah.
So that alone is gonna be like plus 30 horsepower. At least, which is insane. So add that with the supercharger, and my E36 is gonna freaking rip.
So with the supercharger and the M52, like just all over the M52, the supercharger does 115 at the flywheel.
Which is nuts.
So at 6 pounds. So the M52, let's say it's 30, 40 more than yours probably. You could be at potentially like 100 wheel more, which should be plenty to get that thing moving.
Oh my God, yeah. We're almost there, guys. If you guys want to buy an entry to the beautiful TI out there, M3 powered, mind you, link in the description, TommyFA.com. Cop a t-shirt. Yes, they're a little expensive, but you're not really buying just a t-shirt, you're buying the entry to the car, so it kind of justifies the price. But I gotta show you the M52 while we're here. Here she is. So it doesn't look much different than my engine. What we do have is this little notch right here.
Yeah.
Oh, guys, this is gonna be an awesome project.
That'd be cool. That'll be cool.
So guys, grab an entry, help me out. Hopefully we can get the M52 also. This would be insane. Hook up the E36 and get that car the power that it deserves.
And get me more room for subframes.
So about to head out to pick up the car very shortly. Luckily, it's Tommy's shop was on the way, so now the place is only like 35 minutes away. So gonna grab his truck, grab his trailer, go out there, hook it up, and hopefully it's not a piece of junk. I saw a bunch of photos of it, but you know, like cars always look better in photos and the ads are never 100%, but we'll see. So I don't know if I'm gonna bring it back to the shop or not, or just leave it here. Maybe I'll bring it back to the shop. That's just a lot of driving. I don't know. We're good?
We're good.
So I got the Tommy FI tow pig right here. I'm pretty excited. Tommy's really hooked me up by letting me borrow this. I'm pretty excited. Tommy, if you're watching, thank you so much. So 30-minute drive. Fingers crossed, not a complete hoopty. What the hell did we just load up?
Dude, we got a 04 Alteza straight from Japan. Nah.
All right, so homie over here. I guess I bought it. I thought I was buying it from you. But I guess over here. But what did you do to this thing, man?
Oh, we wrecked it up pretty good. Yeah.
So the motor
we
has
sent it a little, you
yeah,
know?
like, motor has ridiculous ronic. Motor's bad. It's whatever. These motors are a dime a dozen, non-turbo 2Js. No one wants them. No one wants them.
Nope.
It's been sitting for a while, which I didn't know about.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. We'll make her work, but she's rough. She's kind of a hoopty, but we'll polish her up. She'll look good. I love these cars. I know everyone loves these cars.
I love them. Great. I'd take one. I mean, it comes stock with a 2J, dude. You can't go wrong. I mean,
I guess it's kind of a 2J.
Kind of a 2J. NA, it's like a super
like
without a
1.5J.
Yeah, 1.5J.
Well, 1.5Js are actually cool.
Yeah.
So,
So it's like a half J.
It's a half J. It's like
It's class.
a non-J. We'll call it a non-J.
No J.
But there she is.
Duct tape job.
Oh yeah, so the fender's a little duff, so I wasn't trying to have this thing like flap on the highway and ruin more things, so I think we're good. But we got the cool BBS LM wraps, we got Megan Racing coilovers,
Yes, sir.
and some cat back, right?
Yep.
Tanabe
cat back.
Tanabe, and you can't see it, I'm not opening the door, but it's black leather interior. Oh, there it is. Can't beat that. Original 5-speed, you don't see those too often, especially with the low miles, because I think this has like low 100s or something.
Yeah, it's like
130, 132.
Oh, perfect, even better. So, time for rush hour.
Time for rush hour.
Get on the road, boy.
So back at the road, Tommy's truck is doing awesome, dude. This thing pulls. Cars on the trailer. She's a little rougher than I thought, but you know what? Anytime you buy a used vehicle, it's always rougher than you think. Like, she was sitting for a while, and I didn't really realize that. Cars, when you let a car sit for a long time, you gotta replace a lot of stuff. So it's a little unfortunate, but it's still a really good car, still a really good deal. And I'm still really pumped on it. But we got a long drive home. It is like 5 o'clock, which means that it is traffic hour, which means my life is gonna suck. So we're gonna dip, and then we gotta drop the car off, drive back to Tommy's, drop the stuff off, and you guys know the deal. So I'm excited to get this off the trailer and actually like really go through the car and show you guys what's up. We're almost there. We're 20 minutes away. There's been one long ass drive. There's been so much traffic, but it's okay. We have the car. What the fuck is that thing? Orion's new tow pig. What do you think of the new hoopty?
I like it.
Hey, how are you? Look, everyone's here. Awesome. B-Hall. $10 says he's on the phone right now. You on the phone? No. Think of the hoopty.
It's a black and a red car.
It's been sitting. That's a good tell.
Yeah.
This thing has a good rod knock to it.
Needs a new one of them.
Yeah, it needs
Mopar.
some.
Nice.
That's
fine.
Oh, what? SR. Ooh. Mopar.
Is this officially the newest thing you own?
Newest thing I've ever owned.
Is it?
Yeah, isn't that pathetic?
That's amazing.
Actually, no, the Subaru was an 04, but I felt like I never owned that car. Like, that was like a...
Yeah, that wasn't really yours. I felt like you were driving somebody's car for like 3 months.
Oh, 100%. That's what it was.
seemed like.
This is an 04 Lexus IS300, original factory 5-speed. It's a 5-speed. So I've been obsessed with these cars forever. Like, ever since I was in high school. They're gorgeous cars, real to drive. They look newer than they are, I think. Factory manuals are really hard to find. Like, really hard to find.
Hey,
What do you think?
nice. This is pretty neat.
It's not bad, right?
Throwback to when Wavy had one of this.
I don't care if I park this thing in the parking lot and let it sit for the next 4 months. I'm happy that I got this because I wouldn't have found this deal anywhere
Found the
else.
exhaust.
The black gut. Carpet's a little rowdy. Someone didn't like formats, but whatever. We can put a format over that.
I think this is hilarious how it's leather on the outside and cloth on the inside, and the SRT8 Cherokees like Vinny's, his 08 one, the older ones, it's the same thing.
So you don't get like that sweaty bum in the summer. It's nice, but you still get that
You telling me
oil.
that you're not gonna get a sweaty ass this summer.
Not as bad as leather. Look at that. You got a third pedal. Shortest short shifter ever.
Why does it smell like a jar of dill pickles in the back?
Oh wow, look at this.
Oh shit, there's a brick under here.
You want a golf ball?
Yes.
Here you go. Got the Rogue. What else you got in here? Dudley, you got chapped lips, don't you? Here you go.
What?
What you got here? Ooh, we got solder. We got a Phillips. Give these to Drew. Oh hell yeah! Can never have enough of these things. We still have room in the garage. RJ pulled his Miata in, and we're putting he's putting a roll bar in. Make you feel safer.
Makes me feel cooler.
This is like a TT style roll bar, so it's got a double hump, little titty style roll bar.
Just like me, 2-pump chump.
Yeah, this is like the TT style one. It's simple, it's cheap, it's easy, it's safe, so you can't beat it. You doing okay?
No.
Looks pretty cool. Ugh.
What? What is that?
It's your roll bar. See? It looks so nice, wet in the dark. Too bad it's a roach, and it's not this nice. But in this frame right now, it probably looks amazing.
Is nice and wet in the dark?
We're not gonna go there.
I was gonna say ice cream.
Look how disgusting it is underneath the engine bed. This is what our car looks like when it sits for a year. It's never visibly been in an accident before, which is great. It's got some crazy intake setup on. I don't know what's going on here. As you can see though, it's a 2J. Looks just like a 2J, but it's not really the same thing. It's same, but different. It's still a 3.0, straight 6, just non-turboed. It's a little weird, a little underpowered, but you know, still cool. This thing's got some nasty rod knock. I wish I could even start it for you, but I don't have a good battery to throw in. The first mission is to get the car running and driving before we even really try to make it look nice. I gotta find an engine. I already have like 2 friends that might possibly have a good one, so I'm gonna wait to hear back from them until I try and outsource one myself. But even at paying full price at a junkyard, I've seen them for like $500 for around 100K, which is awesome. So this whole thing, guys, essentially should be pretty easy. I'm gonna try and order their parts in the next couple of days, so they all come in for next week and we can get this car running and driving next week. That should be the goal. And then of course the BMW content is hopefully coming soon. We got plenty of projects in the meantime. Still waiting for the hood latch on the Z so we could drive it, and we should be good. I got a long drive. I gotta drive the truck and trailer back to Tommy's, get my car and then drive home. And that's 2 hours of driving right there. But Tommy, if you're watching this, thank you so much for letting me borrow your truck and trailer. You saved my ass today. We were able to get this thing in time, which is awesome. That setup is perfect. I think I know what kind of truck I want now. Nice, simple 1500 single cab.
That's what I've been telling you.
You can't beat it. So
Have a fun drive.
thank you.
Peace
More
out.
driving. So you guys like,
Comment
subscribe,
and
stay tuned for more content.